Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not a mechanic, but I will try what I can do. So the other day I drive the car and you know shut off for me. So um I took it to AutoZone and get it battery checked out, get the starter checked out, and the other thing there. We get it checked out, but it's all good and I'm losing power. So I did some research and they said that thing right here, this fuse right here, it if it's crowded or so, it can cause all of those issues that I'm having. So what I did was I pull it off, clean it up as best as I can. I use a steel wool, a old one, because get rid of the rust and so forth off of it. I don't know if you guys can see it as good as possible. You see it? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is you know connect it back. I don't know if you can see me, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna connect it back right there, you know, and then try to start the car because I jump started and it wasn't starting. So, oh, I think I should use this one. It's not giving me any power, so let's hope this could start it. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's gonna work, guys. So see with me. This panel is so small, people. You know, that fuse here, it's very important. So if it I give problem, you can have a few issues with starting the car. So as I said, I did my research and it can affect it. So yeah. Alright, as you can see, that part is tight enough. Whew. Alright, as you can see, people, put them on. So I'm going to now go into the car and try to start it and see what I go on. Yeah. Whew, it's hot. It's hot, people. It's hot. Oh, it does start, but unfortunately, it's not chuckling right. So I guess it's something else the problem. Weird, you know. But I cannot um worry about that because I don't have the tools or equipment to. So definitely I'm gonna have to take it to the shop. Alright, so thanks for viewing and until next time.